Kübra.
Hello.
Thanks for joining us here in Galway.
Thanks for having me.
Is it your first time in Galway?
Yes, it is my first time in Ireland.
In Ireland, okay. Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay. Did you enjoy the session today about Kotlin?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot because our attendees were so engaged and they were so willing to learn about Kotlin. That was great.
Can you tell us why you wanted to learn about Kotlin? Why do you evangelize the word of Kotlin?
Because Kotlin is a modern language and I noticed that it is time to switch from Java to Kotlin. And this year at Google I/O they announced that Kotlin is first-class language for Android.
Okay.
That is why I switched to Kotlin.
Do you like it? Is it really?
Oh yeah, I love Kotlin because Kotlin is very developer friendly and it is intuitive, idiomatic, very helpful for a developer, for Android developer.
Okay, I heard a little story earlier that you brought that to business side of things. You explained the benefits of Kotlin, how it would improve the life of developers and everything. And then, could you tell us more about this?
Yeah, sure. So the project I worked for was mostly in Java.
Right.
And I was developing in Kotlin for the FC Barcelona application. And it was kind of frustrating for me because I was so used to Kotlin's power. It was just great and clean code. And then so I decided to create a presentation for the business people.
Okay.
And I mentioned that it is time to switch to Kotlin because Kotlin is a modern language. It is very good investment for the new developers. So I showed them the code samples, code comparisons, Java and Kotlin, and then I got their support.
Okay.
Yeah, and since then I started to convert our project to Kotlin, and we are all very happy.
Okay. I heard also that they sort of thanked you for that.
Yeah.
Yes? They give you a little present. Thank you.
Yeah, it was just we have a family gathering. I got a sticker saying we thank you for explaining tech things well.
Okay.
Because it is important to explain business people what is going on there, because it takes time, but it is actually a very good investment to switch to Kotlin. Yeah, I got their support. It is important.
That's really good. So I believe you're going to be touring in Ireland and in the UK about it?
Yeah.
Is that right? You want to say more about this?
Yeah, so Kotlin Everywhere will be everywhere. Like, I will be visiting many GDGs in the UK and Ireland as well.
Okay.
And it was the first one. I'm so happy to be here and thank you for all the promotion and advertisements.
It's a pleasure to have you.
And I really hope that the presentation was useful and people can continue learning Kotlin and yeah.
Well, the live from today will be available later this year when you will finish your tour. So if there's other lives, they'll be also available.
Yeah, please share with me.
And obviously you'll be available for everybody to talk about it. So thank you very much for coming here. I believe it's an honor for everybody to have you. We're very happy that you joined us.
Thank you so much.
We didn't think this was possible, but then here you are. And
I am so happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.